Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook chicken with tomato sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of chicken, a large can of crushed tomatoes, and a couple of garlic cloves. Dice your chicken into 1-inch pieces, which helps it cook quickly and evenly. Mince your garlic finely to release its full flavor. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and delicious results for your meal. Now, let's build some flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your diced chicken and sear it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown. This step is crucial for developing a rich, savory taste. Once seared, remove the chicken and set it aside. Don't worry about cooking it through completely yet, we're just locking in that delicious exterior. With the chicken seared, it's time to build our incredible tomato sauce. In the same pan, sauté your minced garlic for about 1 minute until it's wonderfully fragrant. Then, pour in the entire 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a subtle warmth. Season with salt and pepper. Let this simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing all those fantastic flavors to truly come together. Finally, let's bring it all together. Return your seared chicken pieces to the simmering tomato sauce. Cover the pan and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the chicken to finish cooking through and absorb all the delicious flavors of the sauce, becoming incredibly tender. Just before serving, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped basil for a vibrant finish. Serve this comforting dish hot, perhaps over pasta or with some crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.